Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable DM's notifications from an account in X. Ensuring you receive notifications from specific accounts can help you stay connected and up to date. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of enabling DM's notifications from an account in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the envelope icon, typically positioned in the bottom drawer. Tap on the envelope icon to access your messages. Step 3. Inside the Messages section, look for the plus icon. Tap on it and select the account you want to send the message to. Step 4. From the top right corner of the conversation, tap on the I icon. This will open the conversation details. Step 5. Within the conversation details, find the option labeled Snooze Notifications and disable it. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled DM's notifications from an account in X, ensuring you stay connected and receive timely updates. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more X tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and may your X messaging experience be tailored to your needs and preferences.